Wow, it's so terrible. You know, it's snowing at the right moment. It's snowing, and everywhere it seems to be cold. You know, it's just cold. How do you feel like? How do you feel living in such kind of place? It's just snowing. Have a look. It's white everywhere. So I'm really feeling cool, and I think so I'm going to make a walk from one stop to another, and I will take a bus today. So I'm going to show you around how it feels and how it looks walking around. And this is winter, you understand? So here in Russia, it's snowing. Yeah. So I've been thinking about making this video to show you how it looks like. It looks like it's winter when it's snowing. So basically it's snowing. But what do you need to take? How do you need to put on? So basically, my jacket is not that big, but I dress properly so that I know how to dress and how to manage the cold. So sometimes the cold always affects me, you understand? But I'm more likely to be affected by cold when it's just like when it's really a bit warm and cold at the same time. So times like in spring and in autumn, I always get sick from cold, you know. But basically in winter it's too cold, so you just have to dress properly and the body will acclimatize to this and it will make everything cool. So one thing about living in Moscow is like this place clean. They really clean the way, you know. Even you see the road there is clean, but in other cities it's not clean. They don't clean that. That's the biggest difference. They don't clean, but here they clean them. And people are working, you know. If you want a job, you can come and do this job here of clearing the snow from the street. You will freeze until you call your mom. No one will come to rescue you, you understand? So if you want a job of clearing the snow from the street, man, if you want a job of clearing the snow from the street, just let me know. So let me know, because it's freezing. It's always freezing, man. But today, look, look, this is snowing life. So you see the houses, the way they look like, and the other side, everything. But people who are used to this snow, they don't put on gloves. Like I remember last winter, it was so cold that I put on my gloves. You understand? Huh? But I basically don't this winter. Maybe I will put sometimes later, but this time around I will not put. So I wanted to tell you also, how do you dress for winter? So winter is really tough. So in winter, do I have a jacket? One. This is a jumper. Two. This is another small sweater inside. Then I have another one. See, black one. So I have two blacks inside. So that one protects me from cold. And I always like blacks because they keep me warm from time to time. They keep me warm from time to time. Just a minute.